Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel Udaya's Classroom. I have come up with a special announcement. This session is going to be an informative one to the CBSE Commerce Stream students who are in grade 12. This video is about the portion deletion for the academic year 2020 to 21. Due to this pandemic, the CBSE board has decided to eliminate 30% of the portion from all the subjects, and it has disclosed the revised syllabus too, which I am going to share to you for the subject Business Studies, subject code number 054, grade 12. I would like to clarify certain things here. There is no chapter deletion in the Business Studies subject. Only certain topics has been deleted by the CBSE board from some of the chapters. Alright, in grade 12, we have got two parts, that is part 1 and part 2. And this is the cover page of NCERT textbook, Business Studies, part 1 separate book and part 2 separate book. In part 1, we study about principles and functions of management, and in part 2, we study about business, finance and marketing. Come, let's see the unit-wise deletion of the topics. Alright, in part 1, principles and functions of management, there is no changes or deletion in the first and second unit. Changes starting from unit 3. Let's see the deleted topics. Unit 3, business environment. Topics deleted: demonetization concept, impact of government policy changes on business with special reference to liberalization, privatization and globalization in India. Unit 4, planning. Topics deleted: single-use and standing plans, objectives, strategy, policy, procedure, method rule, budget and program. Unit 5, organizing. Deleted topics: formal and informal organization concept. In Unit 6, staffing. Topics deleted: staffing as a part of human resource management concept. In Unit 7, directing. Topics deleted: barriers to effective communication, how to overcome the barriers. And in Unit 8, controlling. Deleted topic: relationship between planning and controlling. Well, let's move on to part 2, business, finance and marketing. There is no deletion or changes in Unit 9 and 10. In Unit 11, marketing. Topic deleted: physical distribution, components and channels of distribution. And at last, in Unit 12, consumer protection. Deleted topics: consumer protection, importance, consumer awareness, role of consumer organizations and non-governmental organizations, that is NGOs. These are all the deleted topics in all the units. So all these deletions, you can take it as for exam point of view. If it is possible, if you find time to learn all these deleted topics, I would suggest you to learn all the topics, because as a commerce students, you will be learning these principles of management in all graduations like BCom, MCom, MBA, whatever course you take, you will be learning in the future. So the knowledge what you are going to acquire, it's not going to be wasted. It's going to be an investment. Well, with this, I'll end up the session today. I'll get you back soon with a new lesson. Until then, it's bye from Udaya.